Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace an electrical outlet without having to call a handyman and shoveling out $100 or so. All you would need is a screwdriver. If you want it to go a little bit faster, screw gun, and the ability to secure power. Now, I have already secured power to this. I went over to my electrical panel. I have there's a specific breaker in there that says kitchen outlets, and I turned that off. Quick test to do that. To make sure it is off, I plugged in my phone charger into my phone. I could tell it was no longer charging. Simple as that. All right, let's get to it. First step is to remove the faceplate. Next step is to remove the outlet itself. Okay, once you remove the outlet, you're going to have 3 wires. Black is your hot, that supplies power to the outlet. White is the neutral, sends the power back that's not used. Ground is simply a ground in case you have a short. So the next thing we want to do is remove these 3 wires from the outlet. Okay, once you loosen those screws, pull all 3 wires away. And you're off. Okay, so here we have our new outlet. And on the back, you're going to see 2 screws. Right over here, it says hot. That is for the black wire. Over here, it says white. That is for the neutral wire, the white wire. And then on this side, you will see a green screw. That is for the ground. Now, some of these outlets may come with screws on this side and this side. That is simply in case you have a 2-switch, where 2 switches operate the outlet at the same time, or light switch, whatever it may be. But, you know, in this case, we just have 3 wires. So make sure you do the wires on the same side if you do have, indeed, 4 screws. The next thing you need to do is loosen these 3 screws so you can install the wires. First, we are going to install the black wire where it says hot. Wrap that around the screw and simply tighten down. Good. Next, we're going to go white and then tighten down. And last but not least is our ground wire. Put your ground wire around the green screw. Tighten up. Now we're ready to install. Don't be afraid to really cram it back in there. As long as these are connected, you're going to be okay. Just push that back in. You're not going to damage anything. These wires are all meant to be bent. Screw these back in. Here you can... Okay. You can push that up a little bit if you need to make sure it's level. And now our new electrical outlet is secured up against the box. Now it's time to put on the faceplate. Now with this outlet, we did go now to a rectangular outlet. This is what we had previously, just your standard outlet. So be sure to get yourself a rectangle faceplate and then secure this in place with 2 screws on each side. Be very careful when using the screw gun here because you can easily crack your new faceplate. So be very gentle or just use a screwdriver. Okay, and then one thing I like to do is keep the screws in line. Just gives it a nice symmetrical look. So there you have it. Now we'll go turn on power, plug something in. And if you got power, you're all set. If not, take it back off. Check your black-white wire, make sure that's connected, and obviously check the ground as well while you're there. Yeah, and then you just probably got a loose connection just to tighten that up. And there you have it. Replacing the electrical outlet is way easier than you think. Just make sure you secure power at your electrical panel and take your time. This is very easy to do at home, save you some money. So if this video was valuable to you, please like and subscribe. Stand by for more homesteading and DIY content. Over and out now.